Okay, this is Cambridge 11 test 1, so you people can open it on your portal as well. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है, अगर आप में से कोई न्यू स्टूडेंट है तो वो मुझे पहले बता दे, ठीक है? Because in IELTS reading we have 40 questions, total आपके पास 40 questions होते हैं, and question categories. The first thing is you will be given fill in the blanks. After that we have true false not given. फिर अगर onward आप लोग move करें, okay, true false not given, and yes, here we have true false not given, and question number 1 to 7 these are blanks. So blanks कैसे करते हैं, ये true false not given, we have some tips and tricks that how we can do our blanks are true false not given, plus you have list of headings is a question type है. After that we have MCQs and yes no not given, plus sometime it can be just like a summary completion. So the best thing that you how you can complete your IELTS reading test is before moving toward paragraph or passage. The first thing is you need to read all the questions. आप एक दफा questions को read करें. For example, we have indoor farming. So the topic is crop growing skyscrapers. Crop growing skyscrapers. First we will read our questions. Question is choose no more than 2 words from the passage for each answer. It means you have a word limit that you can write 2 words. आप 2 से ज़्यादा नहीं लिख सकते. अगर 2 से ज़्यादा लिखेंगे तो आपके marks उसमें से डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे. So before starting your reading test or listening test, make sure that you have read all the instructions, because there is a word limit that you can write no more than 1 word, no more than 2 words, or no more than 3 words. आपके पास ऑप्शन होता है ताकि अगर आप उससे ज़्यादा वर्ड्स लिखते हैं तो आपके स्कोर उसमें से कट जाते हैं, बेशक आपका आंसर ठीक है. So these are blanks. First we will read all the questions sequence wise. ठीक है, हमने सब questions करने, and after that we will move toward paragraph और हमने अपने answers को सर्च करना है. Question number 1. Some food plants including dash are already grown indoor. Okay, here the keyword is some food plants including dash are already grown indoors. Indoor is our keyword, that some food plants are already grown indoor. After that we have vertical forms would be located. Vertical form is the keyword. Would be located, it means location. हमने जगह place तलाश करनी है, ठीक है? Located in the dash, meaning that they would be less need to take them long distances to customers. We have different keywords here in this sentence. Number 1, vertical forms. After that, located mean place, location, meaning that there would be less need to take them long distances to customers. Long distances. Distance is here again. We have one keyword, and customers. Next question. Vertical forms could use methane. So methane is the keyword. हमने इसको underline कर लेना है. From plants and animals to produce dash. अब मीथेन यूज होगी, लेकिन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स में टू प्रोड्यूस व्हाट. अब वो जो चीज होगी, प्रोडक्ट, हमने उसको यहाँ पे मेंशन करना है. Fourth one is the consumption of. Consumption is the keyword. Consumption of dash would be cut because agricultural vehicles would be unnecessary. We have consumption and plus agricultural vehicles will be unnecessary. Consumption of dash. अब किस चीज की consumption होगी वो हमने word तलाश करना है. But before that we have important keywords, that is agricultural vehicles. Vehicles is again keyword. जहाँ पे आपको vehicles नजर आएगा paragraph में से आपने उसको underline कर देना है so that you can find your answer. The fact that vertical forms would need dash light. अब light सनलाइट हो सकती है, सोलर लाइट हो सकती है, वट एवर द लाइट इज, आर्टिफिशियल लाइट, जो भी होगा आपने वर्ड यहाँ पे मेंशन करना है. बट अगेन द की वर्ड इज लाइट. ओके, द फैक्ट दैट वर्टिकल फॉर्म्स वुड नीड डैश लाइट इज अ डिसएडवांटेज. अब जो उसकी वो डिसएडवांटेज होगी हमने वो स्पेसिफिक मेंशन करनी है. वन फॉर्म ऑफ वर्टिकल फॉर्मिंग इन्वॉल्व्स प्लांटिंग. Vertical formings have different forms. सो एक फॉर्म के लिए वो कह रहा है दैट इन्वॉल्व्स प्लांटिंग इन डैश विच आर नॉट फिक्स्ड. प्लांटिंग इन डैश, किस चीज में प्लांटिंग की जाएगी कि जो फिक्स नहीं है. The next question is the most potable development that food will be grown on dash. Food will be grown on dash, on earth, on the, obviously on is used for the surfaces. किसी जगह का नाम mention करेगा, so वो जगह आपने यहाँ पे लिखनी है. Now we have read all the questions. We have underlined our important words, keywords हमने underline कर दिए. अब हम start करेंगे पैराग्राफ के. पैराग्राफ में से हमने आंसर्स को कैसे सर्च करना है वन बाय वन सीक्वेंस वाइज. नाउ यू हैव जस्ट 2 minutes. यू कैन रीड पैराग्राफ नंबर 1. आप जस्ट पैराग्राफ नंबर 1 रीड करें एंड ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर. क्या आपको कोई आंसर मिल रहा है? ऐसा नहीं. एंड दिस थिंग इज दैट वी हैव ब्लैंक्स. ब्लैंक्स के बाद अगर ट्रू फॉल्स नॉट गिवन आ रही हैं, सो इट मीन्स कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ब्लैंक्स आपको पेज 1 से मिलेंगी और ट्रू फॉल्स नॉट गिवन फिर आपको सेकंड पेज से मिलेंगी. सीक्वेंस वाइज ही होते हैं. You will find all the blanks in sequence. जितने भी blanks हैं, अगर suppose आपको एक यहाँ से मिल रही है तो दूसरी यहाँ से मिलेगी, थर्ड वन इधर से, फोर्थ वन इधर से, सीक्वेंस वाइज आप चलेंगे. सेम इज द केस विद ट्रू फॉल्स नॉट गिवन. फर्स्ट यू हैव जस्ट 2 minutes टू रीड फर्स्ट 2 पैराग्राफ कि क्या आपको इनसे रेलिवेंट कोई वोकैबुलरी यहाँ पे मिल रही है और इंटेंडेड मीनिंग. अगर आपको मीनिंग कन्वे हो रहा है देन यू कैन लेट मी नो. यू हैव जस्ट 2 minutes. ओके, डन. Question number 1. Some food plants including dash are already grown indoors. What will be the answer of this question? What do you think? क्या हो सकता है यहाँ से? You have read paragraph number 1 and paragraph number 2. Have you found the answer? आपको मिला है या नहीं? First one. Okay. Sorry?
I can make a story for this.
आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं. आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. ओके, फर्स्ट वन.
I'm enjoying with you.
Okay, no problem. So the first question was some food plants including dash are already grown indoors. They are talking about indoor farming, indoor food. So we have read first 2 paragraphs. The concept of indoor farming is here. You can see in the second paragraph, in the first line, indoor farming. Indoor farming is not new since hothouse production of tomatoes and other produce has been in vogue for some time. अब देखें वो क्या कह रहा है. Your question was some food plants including dash are already grown indoors. So it means they are talking about indoor farming, and in indoor farming they said that tomatoes are already grown. Tomatoes की already production हो चुकी है. So our answer will be here, tomatoes. The second one is vertical forms would be located in dash, meaning that they would be need to take them long distances to customers. Vertical forms would be located in dash. Please, जगह हमने mention करनी है. So we will read onward. हमने आगे इसको read करते जाना है. Vertical forms, the word is here. We have vertical forms. Vertical forms. Again, we have vertical forms here. Urban centers. Yes. The concept of multi-story buildings in which food crops are grown in environmental controlled conditions situated in the heart of urban centers. So here the word is urban centers. First आपने question read किया था no more than 2 words. It means that you can write here urban and centers. Urban centers. The third one is vertical forms could use methane from plant and animal to produce dash. Methane को use कर सकती है to produce dash. अब हमने ये देखना है कि methane का word कहाँ पे use हो रहा है. Okay. Have you people found the third answer? Methane.
No.
Plant word is here. Sorry? Plant is mentioned here. यहाँ पे mention है plants. In the third paragraph. You can read third paragraph. Okay. It took humans 10,000 years to learn how to grow most of crops we need to take for granted. Along the way, we despoiled most of land we worked. After turning wood equal zones in semi-human populations now lives vertically in cities. This means that majority humans have shelter from the elements and all these things. Okay, I think in this passage we don't have any answer. So we will read the next one. The supporters of vertical farming claim many potential advantages of the system. For example, crops would be produced all year round. They will be kept in artificially controlled optimum growing conditions. There would be weather-related crop failures due to drought, flood. All the food could be ground, originally eliminating the need for herbicides, pesticides, and fertilizer. The system would greatly reduce the infectious diseases that are acquired in this system. Although this system would consume energy. अब system क्या करेगा? System would consume energy. It would return energy to the grid via methane. अब ये word है. अब methane क्या करेगी? Methane would produce energy. It will produce energy. It will give energy generation from composition non-edible parts of plant. अब देखें वो क्या कह रहा है. Question is, vertical farms could use methane from plants and animals to produce dash. Vertical farms could use methane to produce energy. It would use methane to produce again energy. Okay. The next one is consumption of dash would be cut because agricultural vehicle would be necessary. Consumption of dash. A major drawback of vertical farming, however, is that plants would require artificial light. Okay, again we have one answer. जो आपने पढ़ा था कि defect. Yes. The fact that vertical farms would need dash light, would need artificial light here. ये आपने next question किया था. Yes. One more question. The consumption of dash would cut